What is going on, everybody? Beautiful Sunday morning. We are going to get something to eat right now. Crystal, what are we gonna eat, baby?
I don't know.
Chicken wings? I'm kind of leaning towards chicken wings.
He wants to go to Hooters.
They had smoked wings.
Yeah.
I don't care. We can go to Buffalo Wild. I don't care. I just want chicken wings.
Let's go get wings.
Okay, wings it is. Alright, y'all. The last time I went to this Buffalo Wild Wings, the service was terrible, and I vowed to never go here again. Yet I'm here again, so we're gonna give them one more chance. Nope, we made it through. The hostess sitting us, and we said this is ridiculous. We're not gonna be back, so sorry, B-dubs. The one in Bryant is not getting our money anymore. Alright, y'all, so we switched. We're going to Hooters because apparently, according to Keto Connect, they have the best smoked wings. I grabbed the camera and I was walking in, and Chris was like, "Can't bring your camera into Hooters." So,
like, you know, a regular restaurant, okay, but no.
I'm leaving the camera here. I was gonna go to videotape the wings. I don't know what everybody else is gonna go bring a camera in there for, but it's just a food blogger me. Alright, y'all, successful trip to Hooters. I don't think I've ever even been to Hooters before.
Maybe there.
Yeah. Smoked chicken wings, pretty good. I got the garlic habanero dry rub and the lemon pepper rub, and those are both 0 carb. I also got a sample of their hottest sauce, which is like triple dog day or something. And Crystal and I both tried it.
It was good.
And it was, I think there was a little bit of sugar in that one though, so I only just tasted that, but pretty good wings. All right, y'all, we're kind of having some fun today. Right now, we're going to Bass Pro Shop. You excited, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, y'all, ready for hunting season now? Deer camps next weekend. I got duck hunting camo on, but what difference does it make? Now what are we doing?
Getting a shower.
Getting
Looking
a shower?
at showers, at least.
At the Home Depot. For the gym?
Yes.
Shower for the gym?
For the warehouse, yes.
Alright, y'all. This is Crystal in the shower. This will be the only time I'm okay with y'all seeing Crystal in the shower. What do you think? You like it?
I do. I like it.
You shave your legs? You shave your legs? Get enough room?
Yep.
Skills.
Alright, guys, we are hopping out of the truck, or the van, I guess. We are at, what is this called? Push, pedal, pull. It's an equipment store, I guess it is. And we're looking for different things to put inside the gym. So let's take a little gander inside. We can't go inside because they're closed, but we can actually at least look through the window.
Mostly cardio. Definitely mostly cardio.
There's some dumbbells.
Stairmaster though. Have to go in when they're open.
What you think?
Check it out when they're open. What you making, baby?
Chicken piccata.
Chicken piccata. Whole Foods. Alright, y'all, so we're in Whole Foods, as you saw in that first clip, getting a couple groceries. But I wanted to point out something real quick. So I've got a lot of people on the keto diet that eat these Chicharrones 4505 brand, and I've never had these because the ingredients in this pales in comparison to the ingredients in this. Let me give you a quick rundown here. So these ingredients: pork rinds, coconut, palm sugar, salt, spices, fried and rendered pork fat, sugar. This one is, what are the ingredients? Fried pork skins, salt, black pepper, sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder. So no sugar. And like I said, I haven't tasted these, but there's no way they taste better than these. So if you're getting your pork rinds, go for the Epic brand. Quick little caveat here: the 4505 brand cracklings are much cleaner than the pork rinds. They have pork cracklings, sea salt, fried and rendered pork fat. So I'm actually going to buy this one and give it a try because these are pretty clean ingredients. Do we have any other interesting finds in our cart, baby? The almond creamy, that's new.
Almond, oh yeah. We're trying this. It looks pretty good. It does have a lot of gums in it, so that's the one thing I wouldn't really suggest for it, but we're pretty excited about trying this for sure. Almond with coconut cream.
Anything else? The ZV energy drinks,
yep.
New brand of olive oil here.
We don't normally buy chicken, but since I'm making chicken piccata, here we go. This
Nice.
is our dessert for this evening.
Nice.
And
Everything else is
I'm
pretty
also
standard.
buying some of this. It doesn't have any sugar or anything in it, but I've been needing a different way to get in protein other than just meat because it messes with my stomach. So I really love this brand, so I'm going to try the s'mores brand because, or s'mores flavor, because I love it.
What's going on here?
We're gonna get some decaf coffee here.
Decaf coffee, y'all. We're still gonna have a little bit of coffee. I hadn't had coffee in a while, but we're still gonna have a little bit of coffee with that creamer, that almond milk creamer, not dairy, and minimal caffeine. So, digging that. Oh, we also found some caffeine-free colas in the Zevia flavor.
Now we do.
So.
We are having some of these energy drinks from the Zevia.
But that is a much lower caffeine content than the Bang energy drinks that we've been drinking.
And I will be drinking mine directly before a workout, so I'll burn through it pretty quickly. Alright, y'all, the day is done. Chris and I are going to wrap up by shooting some bows and chillaxing just a little bit before we start tomorrow. We're going to wake up at 4. We're kind of trying a new routine tomorrow, so it's going to be interesting. Crystal is about to cook up a bunch of chicken piccata. Are you cooking that tonight? No, I'm just figuring out my macros.
She's just figuring out her macros. Anyways, great day. Got a bunch of errands ran. Went grocery shopping. Got some hunting clothes. Hung out with Krista. It was a good day. Got a lot done. Got my clients done. I'll be doing my emails tomorrow. I didn't get those done. But yeah, good day. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's kill it this week.